It almost seems like every way in which you can make money needs you to have some form of initial investment. As the saying goes, you need money to make money. This is certainly a roadblock for many people who want to make money but don't have money at all to invest. They need money because they don't have it, or they don't want to use what they have. There are, however, many ways that you can make money without investing. If you're trying to find ways to make money without investments, then look no further. But before we get started, I want to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, and I will teach you the most accurate, money-wise, and up-to-date tips, ideas, and tricks for you to start making money. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time there's a new video uploaded. And please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it. And thank you very much for watching. Let's make money without investments today with number 1, starting a blog. I know you're probably thinking that starting a blog is not entirely free, but I want to keep my promise to you and only give you information on how to do this with absolutely no investment. You can register on blogging sites like Medium. It allows you to write blogs on various topics and allows you to grow a following on the platform. You don't have to purchase a domain or even design a website. All you do is what you're supposed to do, which is writing blogs. This way, you're not going to spend any money to set this up. Although it may take time to grow a tangible following, you will eventually monetize through ads and clicks on your blog, enough to start making a living writing blogs. Moreover, you can promote different affiliate offers from Amazon, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, CG Affiliate, Shareable, and many other popular affiliate businesses. Because it takes a while to grow, once grown, it doesn't die easily. You'll be certain that you will continue earning when you've stopped writing blogs. Number 2, content writing. You can make money by writing content for clients as well as for yourself while blogging. This will require you to have a good command of English, particularly in writing and grammar. You may also need to build skills in research to help you write on a vast variety of topics. This may be time-consuming at times, especially if you are not a fast typer. Even if you are a fast typer, you still need to review the work more than once. However, this type of work does not need you to have money for an initial investment in the beginning. To find clients, you may need to write sample articles and send them to a prospective client or sign up for a website that will connect you to such clients, or else be a writing freelancer on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, People Per Hour, and other popular marketplaces. There are lots of potential buyers in existence who will hire you for writing their website content. This will involve signing up and creating an attractive profile to help yourself stand out among your competition. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing needs some sales skills. You need to be passionate about selling other people's products, and this may include products sold in stores such as Amazon. You simply get a link dedicated to you. You promote that link and try to make people buy on the website using your link. Every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you make a commission of the sale. If you're good, the percentage of your cut can go up, and you can include other incentives, like the ability to offer your audience discounts for using your link. Because you will need an audience for this, you may need to have built that audience first to make the most out of this option. However, you don't need to have the money up front to get started, so it allows you to make money without investing anything. Number 4, sell content on Fiverr. You can sign up on Fiverr as a freelancer for free and start selling your services. The website offers a vast amount of services, from graphic designing, writing, marketing, audio production, and more. So just sign up to sell that through Fiverr as well. You just need to find a service that has a market that people will be willing to pay for. The great thing about Fiverr is not only does it allow you to start without an initial investment, but it also allows you to work remotely. You can work while you're at home or even on holiday. Well, of course, that wouldn't be a holiday. If you search for Fiverr, you can see many success stories of people who started working through the site without having any form of validation first, and now they earn a 6-figure income. Number 5, becoming a virtual assistant. You could think of virtual assistants as a personal assistant, so scheduling someone's day, replying to emails, and all. What's different with virtual assistant is that you don't have to be in the office. You can do this while sitting at home. You can be really successful doing this freelance job because you're not tied to a particular company or person, and you can have multiple clients and therefore your income is not limited at any point. You will need to have skills in doing office tasks and have all the equipment needed to fulfill what the client will be asking of you. You can look for clients on your own through cold emailing or join websites, which will get you such clients on sites like Freelancer. The more you grow your reputation, the higher you can demand to get paid per hour. Number 6, freelancing. Some of the great ways to make money fall under this category and due to their ability to be used as skills for freelancing. However, freelancing in general is a great way to make a decent income without needing to invest money first. All you'll need is your skill. This could be that one you have studied for and have experience in. Say that you're an accountant. You could offer accounting services as a freelancer. You can find clients that would be willing to pay you for these services, and you will profit a lot since your profit margin is wide, considering you won't have to spend in order to deliver the services. The sky's the limit. There are also tons of freelancing sites where you can sign up and sell your services to businesses and individuals. Number 7, online paid surveys. You can also make money filling in surveys. There's a good number of websites that allow you to offer this service. They are willing to pay you to take your time to answer online surveys, which help companies make better decisions on their products. You'll get paid based on the quality of the surveys. You literally only need your time for this. Therefore, there is no investment needed to get into this kind of work. You just need to ensure that the website you're using is trustworthy and credible. Swag bucks might be a good starting point. Just before we get to the last way to earn money without investments, please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And the last one is transcription freelancer. There is an increase in demand for people who can provide transcription services. You can work from home while providing these services, and you can do this from home. You simply need to be someone who pays attention to detail, and besides that, there is much investment needed in order to get started. You can also get paid regularly depending on the number of transcription work you complete each day, week, or month. You also need to know English well. Though these ideas may seem far-fetched, if you start right now, you'll soon see results. So I hope we have busted the myth that you need money in order to make money. I hope that you found one job that you're all ready to do right away. Let us know which job resonated with you. And if you're already involved in any of these jobs, share your experience, as there is many people who might find help and encouragement through your experiences. From us, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell button to help you get notified every time we release another video. If you love similar content, please take a look at my other videos and stay tuned for future videos.